own plate, please? This sounds so serious, Chipper. And what can I do for you, Clinton? Oh, bless you. Right into your plate. That's a big yawn. Oh, bless you. Gross. You be careful, you're gonna fall right out of that chair. You think you're funny? You think you're funny? You be careful, you're gonna fall right out of that. What's going on with your face? You guys need wipes. Good job, wipe your nose. Wipe really good. Blow and wipe. Here, Mama, help. Well, then do a better job. No, Chippy, don't. Wipe your nose, baby. Wipe your nose, Clinton Lawrence. Do it. Good job. Good job. You're rotten. You're a rotten little boogery stink bug. Hey, how's your forehead feel? How's your forehead feel? Yeah? You ready to get those stitches out today? Yeah? Yes, dear? Yeah, there's boogers.